ASAP Lock and Key. At ASAP Lock and Key, we know locks. When you're locked out and need last-minute help or simply want to beef up security, we're the provider of the best locksmith services in St. Peters from A to Z. Our primary service areas include emergency locksmith, automobile locksmith, residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, and re-key services. We have been in business for emergency locksmith, automobile locksmith, residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, re-key services. Featuring top-shelf customer service and an unrivaled locksmithing ability, ASAP Lock and Key is the premier choice for residential, commercial, auto, and emergency lockout situations. Whatever your lock needs, we'll develop the best possible solution and get you back on your feet. Call us at 636-634-8062 whenever you need a quick response and professional ability. For more information, please visit our website, www.asaplockandchemo.com, or contact us through phone 636-634-8062. You can visit our office, 1040 Country Club Road, St. Charles, Missouri, 63303. ASAP Lock and Key.